almost quietly, reminds you what riding actually feels like. This is the 2026 Kawasaki KE125, a motorcycle that brings the joy of riding back to the basics, without sacrificing capability, confidence, or fun. The moment you see it, something about the KE125 feels right. Not overwhelming, not exaggerated, but balanced. Like a bike that was designed to be ridden, not just displayed. Its silhouette doesn't scream big adventure, but something subtler. Possibility. The long travel suspension, narrow tank, upright stance, and dual-purpose tires tell you one thing. This bike is ready for motion city, country lane, gravel track, wherever your curiosity leads. Slide into the seat and the connection begins immediately. The weight is light, almost deceptive. You don't feel like you're climbing onto a bulky adventure rig. Instead, there's a confident simplicity to it. Light enough to flick through traffic, tall enough to command the terrain. Your feet find the ground with assurance. Your hands meet the handlebars with ease. The riding position feels comfortable, natural, and relaxed. The kind of posture that makes every ride feel intuitive rather than forced. And when you press the starter, the KE125 simply comes alive. The 2026 model carries a refined version of Kawasaki's proven 125 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, balanced for smooth torque and usable power. This isn't a bike built for racing glory or insane top-end horsepower. Instead, it's tuned for real-world riding. Calm in mind traffic, confident on back roads, and eager when the trail begins. The throttle response is crisp but not aggressive. Smooth, not snappy. That's exactly how a bike in this class should feel, especially one designed to build confidence and encourage exploration. In the city, the KE125 absolutely shines. Its lightweight nature makes it feel like an extension of your intentions. Filtering through slow traffic, easy. Tight U-turns, effortless. Parking in a crowded street, no problem. It doesn't require brute force to move it. Just smooth input and focused intent. Commuting on this bike feels less like a chore and more like a rhythm. Every stoplight, every corner, every lane feels like part of the ride, not just obstacles on the path. But let's be honest, this isn't a drag racing machine. If your goal is freeway domination or 200 kilometers per hour, top speeds, the KE125 wasn't built for that. And that's okay, because it wasn't designed to compete in that arena. Once you leave the city behind, the KE125 settles into a ride that feels comfortable and confident. The engine hums steadily. The suspension takes moderate bumps in stride. You're not chasing speed records. You're engaging momentum, learning how to keep it, use it, build it. This is where the KE125 reveals one of its greatest strengths. Flow. Meet a sweeping curve, and the chassis responds predictably. Lean angles feel intuitive. Corrections feel natural. The bike doesn't fight you, it guides you. And that's a sensation many heavier, more complex bikes struggle to deliver. Now let's do what every dual-purpose machine dreams of. The pavement ends. Gravel roads, uneven dirt paths, loose terrain. This is where the KE125 starts to truly shine. Long travel suspension easily absorbs imperfections, and your confidence builds with every bump it soaks. Standing on the pegs feels natural. Weight shifts translate directly into directional control. The bike doesn't resist, it adapts. Loose gravel doesn't feel like a threat. It feels like an invitation. Dirt trails become playgrounds, not intimidating challenges. And that's exactly what makes a dual-purpose motorcycle worth having. But of course, it's not perfect. The 2026 Kawasaki KE125 is not designed for extreme off-road tracks, rock climbs, giant ruts, or motocross-style jumps. If you're looking for a full-blown enduro machine designed to tackle professional off-road terrain, this isn't it. It's a purposeful compromise, one that offers approachable capability rather than extreme specialization. Its suspension is balanced, not race car stiff. Its engine is responsive, not beastly. Its size is manageable, not intimidating. And that's part of what makes the KE125 special. It doesn't put barriers between you and the ride. It builds confidence, not fear. Comfort is a bigger deal than many riders expect in this class. The seat offers enough support for extended outings without causing pressure points. The upright posture keeps your wrists and shoulders relaxed, even after hours of riding. On varying surfaces, you don't end up feeling exhausted. Instead, you feel present, connected, engaged. Fuel efficiency is another strong advantage. The 125 cubic centimeters engine sips fuel gently, meaning longer rides between stops and more spontaneity when your plans. You're not calculating every kilometer, you're just riding. Maintenance remains refreshingly straightforward. Kawasaki built this machine with proven components and accessible service points. Routine maintenance, such as oil changes, brake checks, and chain adjustments, aren't intimidating tasks hidden behind complicated electronics or buried panels. That matters a lot. Because when ownership feels manageable, riding becomes frequent, not planned. Technology on the KE125 is purposeful, not overwhelming. You get a clean, readable display showing essential information: speed, fuel level, gear position, and trip data. Nothing distracts from what really matters: the ride itself. Some riders will see this as minimalist. We call it intentional. Everything you see exists to support your ride, not distract from it. Braking performance is smooth and progressive. You're not met with sudden jolt or grab. Instead, the brakes feel calm, controlled, and reliable whether you're slowing on pavement or adjusting speed on gravel. This predictability builds trust, and confidence builds skill. And that's where the KE125 starts to feel bigger than its engine size suggests. Because it teaches you how to ride well, not by demanding speed, not by punishing error, but by rewarding skill. It teaches momentum control, throttle feel, terrain reading, trail rhythm, corner confidence. Beginners gain stability. Returning riders rediscover joy. Experienced riders appreciate the honest, connected feel. This bike doesn't just take you places. It makes you feel every meter along the way. Picture this. The morning air is cool. The town is quiet. You fire up the KE125 and start down familiar streets. Then you turn onto a quieter road. The pavement ends. You follow a gravel lane. The sun glints through trees. The bike listens to every input. Not fighting, just responding. Every kilometer feels earned. Every moment feels intentional. The 2026 Kawasaki KE125 doesn't shout. It communicates. It doesn't intimidate. It encourages. It doesn't distract. It immerses. Because the best motorcycles aren't defined by the size of their engines. They're defined by how alive they make you feel. This is Acer Rider. Ride confident. Ride aware. Ride with purpose. And rediscover the joy of riding. One twist of the throttle at a time. Disclaimer: some features, performance impressions, and interpretations in this script are generated or assisted by AI based on historical model data, motorcycle design trends, and expected industry direction. They may not reflect final official specifications released by Kawasaki.